Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and I finally taken delivery of my Mahindra Thar, the new Thar. It's been a week since I've been driving the Jeep. I've done about 250, 280 kilometers on it. And one of the very first things that I noticed, now mine is an automatic, it's a diesel automatic hardtop. One of the first things that I noticed in the car is it doesn't have a dead pedal. And if you don't have a dead pedal, your foot is just extended, your left foot, because it's free, it's just extended and it cramps after a while. So last Sunday I did about 100 kilometers or so because it was new. I was driving around in the city and my foot badly cramped up. Now I recall a conversation I had with my former boss about 7, 8 years ago. I'm known to be an automotive enthusiast in my circles, and he asked me, so Abhinav, what is the first thing that you would look for when you buy a car? I told him, with increasing traffic and everything, I would want a car which has a dead pedal. Like that's one of the things that I'm going to look for first. Now, imagine that was 7, 8 years ago. Even in 2021, this car doesn't have a dead pedal. So to fix that, I called up my friend Mudit. Hi Mudit, how are you?
What's up? I'm good. How are you?
So guys, Mudit, I'm at Classic Service Point in Noida. My friend Mudit and his father, they run this place. It's one of the oldest and the most reputed places for anything 4x4 in the north, at least in the NCR area. And I rang up Mudit and I said, Mudit, you know what, hook me up with a dead pedal. And I'm not saying this for the sake of a video. In Mudit, I called you last day before evening, right?
Yeah.
So I called it, today is a Thursday. On Tuesday evening, I had a conversation with Mudit that Mudit, I need a dead pedal. And within 24 hours, Mudit made me 4 dead pedals to choose from. If the camera comes close. So, this is dead pedal number 1. So it's a basic metal construction made out of mild steel. And it's coated with a certain, what do you call it?
Stone chip.
Stone chip protection. So this is what stone chip protection that it's coated with. And essentially what a dead pedal does is, it just sticks on the side of your footwell, you put your foot on it and you rest your foot. So something as basic, as simple, I really think Mahindra should have thought of it. But now that they did not, thankfully my friend Mudit made one for me. So these are some of the designs that Mudit and his father, they've come up with in 24 hours. Now, there's one which is conventional, then you've got this slightly oval design, you've got these long slats over here. Now, we are going to go with the first one. Mudit, what is this that you've put underneath?
This is just a leather material.
Just a leather material so that it doesn't look empty.
Yeah.
And I'll just show you where it's going to fit in the car. Alright, so if I get in, let me see. If the camera comes close, so my right foot is on the accelerator, my right foot is on the brake, but my left foot is just completely free. So it sits like here. So it was cramping up so bad that all this while I was driving with my left foot right over here. So this is how I have been driving and it's just not pleasant. So this dead pedal, it's going to get mounted somewhere down there. And as simple as that, just a little metal block that makes your life easier. Now Mudit, you just told me the price, but I've sort of forgotten. I think this is going to cost 1920 rupees.
Yes. So the charges that include, we have this stone chip coating.
Stone chip coating, right.
And if you go for the regular paint, that will cost you less. Close
So
to
1500 rupees or so. So guys, if you want the stone chip coating, which gives it this textured finish, then it's about 1920, which is not a lot of money. If you want it to be the regular paint, 1500 rupees. Mudit, shall we get this installed?
Sure.
Sir, thank you. So to install this, it has 2 bolts here. So we'll have to drill 2 holes in the footwell, and then it's just a matter of bolting it on. As simple as that. Just taking basic measurements of where my foot would, my leg would rest. So if I'm driving, my foot is here on the brake, I'm assuming my left foot will be somewhere over here. So, sir, इसको थोड़ा सा मेरे पैर के पास लाओगे? हाँ, तो ये जो है, हाँ, this is good enough, I guess. This is good enough. This is where the dead pedal is now. It looks pretty much, like a factory option. It's black, it's out of your way. The foot just stays here. It's comfortable. I am about 5 feet 10 and a half inches. So for me, if this is my natural driving position, this is my foot on the accelerator, brake, and yeah, it just sits perfectly on the dead pedal. Installation was fairly simple. It took a few minutes to drill 2 holes because it's based on 2 bolts. So they had to drill 2 holes in the side of the body, and then they went under the vehicle, and where the 2 bolts they came out, they jutted out. They just put the lock nuts there, and it sits pretty well. Mudit, this is not something that's going to rust or anything, right?
No,
Since
no,
it's
not
made
at
out
all.
of mild steel.
Not at all.
Not at
and
all,
even
no?
the coating which you've done,
Yeah.
so that won't harm anything.
That won't harm anything. It's rust proof,
No,
it's everything,
not at all.
and it's
Scratch-proof.
scratch resistant, scratch proof.
Yes.
So, yeah, guys, very simple 10-15 minute install job. Doesn't take longer than that. 2000 rupees, not a lot of money if you're buying a vehicle that's 17 lakh rupees. Not a lot of money. Something that should have ideally come from Mahindra, but since they haven't, thank you, Mudit.
course, sir.
Please be in the frame. Thank you so much for hooking me up with this. And this was a very basic mod that we made to the Thar today. Whatever little things that I'll keep thinking of that the car lacks, we'll keep adding to it as and when. So yeah, keep watching. Thank you, Mudit. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.